Welcome back to Motor Empire 007. Today we are exploring a machine that perfectly blends retro soul with modern attitude. A bike that looks like it just rolled out of a classic era but is engineered for today's streets. The 2026 Honda CL125 Scrambler. Imagine a motorcycle that doesn't try too hard to impress, yet turns heads effortlessly. That's exactly what this Scrambler does. The moment you lay your eyes on it, you notice its rugged stance, high-mounted exhaust, and minimalist bodywork that screams adventure. It carries that timeless Scrambler DNA, but with a fresh twist that makes it feel right at home in 2026. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking a detour onto a dusty path, this bike feels ready for anything. Now let's talk about design, because this is where the CL125 truly shines. The bike features a stripped-down, raw aesthetic that highlights its mechanical beauty. The round LED headlamp gives it that classic vibe, while modern lighting technology ensures visibility and safety. The flat bench seat, slightly upswept at the rear, not only looks stylish, but also provides comfort for both rider and passenger. The high exhaust is not just for show. It's functional, giving you better ground clearance for those light off-road adventures. The fuel tank is sculpted in a way that balances elegance and aggression. It's not bulky, but it has enough presence to give the bike a strong identity. Subtle branding and clean lines make it look premium without being flashy. The overall proportions are compact, which makes it perfect for beginners as well as experienced riders who want a lightweight, easy-to-handle machine. Moving to performance, the 2026 Honda CL125 Scrambler is powered by a refined 125cc Cedars engine that is tuned for smoothness and efficiency. This engine isn't about raw speed. It's about delivering a reliable and enjoyable riding experience. The throttle response is crisp, making it ideal for city riding where quick acceleration at lower speeds matters the most. It's the kind of bike that feels alive without being intimidating. The engine is paired with a smooth, shifting gearbox that makes riding effortless. Whether you're navigating through traffic or enjoying a relaxed ride on open roads, gear transitions feel seamless. Honda's engineering ensures minimal vibrations, so even longer rides remain comfortable. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, making it a practical choice for daily commuting without compromising on style. Handling is where this Scrambler truly earns its name. The upright riding position gives you excellent control and visibility. Wide handlebars allow for easy maneuverability, making tight turns and urban navigation feel natural. The suspension setup is designed to handle a variety of terrains. It absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces with ease, giving you the confidence to explore beyond smooth roads. The tires are slightly chunkier than what you'd find on a standard commuter bike, adding to its Scrambler personality. They provide decent grip on both asphalt and light off-road surfaces. This versatility makes the CL125 more than just a city bike. It's a companion for spontaneous adventures. Braking performance is solid, with disc brakes providing reliable stopping power. Whether you're riding in busy traffic or descending a slope, the braking system feels responsive and controlled. Safety features are well integrated, ensuring that the bike meets modern standards while maintaining its classic appeal. Now, let's talk about the riding experience, because numbers and specs only tell part of the story. When you sit on the CL125 Scrambler, you immediately feel connected to the machine. The seat height is approachable, making it accessible for riders of different heights. The controls are intuitive, and everything feels exactly where it should be. As you start the engine, there's a subtle, refined sound that hints at its capability. It's not overly loud, but it has enough character to make every ride enjoyable. Once you're on the move, the bike feels light and agile. It doesn't demand attention, it invites you to enjoy the ride. One of the most appealing aspects of this bike is its versatility. It's perfect for daily commuting, weekend rides, and even light off-road exploration. It's not trying to be a hardcore adventure bike, but it gives you enough freedom to break away from routine. That's what makes it special. It's practical, yet exciting. In terms of technology, Honda has kept things simple but effective. You get a modern digital display that provides essential information like speed, fuel level, and gear position. It's easy to read and blends well with the overall design. The LED lighting system enhances visibility while adding a premium touch. Another thing worth mentioning is the build quality. Honda has a reputation for durability, and the CL125 Scrambler lives up to that expectation. Every component feels well crafted, from the frame to the smallest details. It's a bike that not only looks good, but is built to last. Now, here's something important. If you're enjoying this deep dive into amazing machines like this one, make sure to subscribe to Motor Empire 007 for more exciting content, because we bring you the best of bikes and cars from around the world. Coming back to the CL125, let's talk about who this bike is for. If you're a beginner, this is an excellent starting point. It's easy to ride, forgiving, and stylish enough to make a strong first impression. If you're an experienced rider looking for something lightweight and fun, this bike offers a refreshing change from heavier machines. And if you simply love the Scrambler aesthetic, this bike delivers it in the most authentic way. The 2026 Honda CL125 Scrambler isn't about chasing speed records or dominating racetracks. It's about freedom, simplicity, and the joy of riding. It reminds you that motorcycles don't have to be complicated to be exciting. Sometimes, all you need is a well-designed machine that connects you to the road and lets you explore at your own pace. In a world where bikes are becoming increasingly complex, the CL125 stands out by staying true to its roots. It combines classic design with modern engineering, creating a perfect balance that appeals to a wide range of riders. It's a bike that makes you want to ride more, explore more, and enjoy every moment on two wheels. So, if you're looking for a motorcycle that offers style, comfort, reliability, and a touch of adventure, the 2026 Honda CL125 Scrambler might just be the perfect choice. It's not just a bike, it's a lifestyle statement. And that's it for today's ride. Stay tuned, keep riding, and we'll see you in the next one.